What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk to you about Lucid. I want to go over some of the current data points, break it down what shorts are doing, and go over everything else that you need to know. But first, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So right now, market is open about 15 minutes. It is up 0.88%. No official news from Lucid, no SEC filings, nothing like that. But the volume is fairly good. So 1.1 million shares, 24 is the average. So today it's going to be a fairly heavy volume day. Not necessarily from long investors though. It's a lot of algorithmic trading. And the only thing that's kind of up today is meme stocks. And with this rally right here that happened last week, which was very exciting, but at the same time, it kind of signaled that Wall Street sees Lucid as a meme stock. I know a lot of people like to think that Lucid has a good fundamental business, but Wall Street clearly does not give two craps about that and just categorizes it as a meme stock. So kind of unfortunate. Today, no news, no SEC filings, nothing like that. Shorts are increasing right now, 943 million, or sorry, 1,000 shares, not million. Obviously, like I said, market's been open 15 minutes. Majority of that was done during pre-market. 30.66% of the free float is being shorted. And just to draw your attention to this, so when it did run up, it did cause shorts to return roughly about 1%-ish, give or take. So it went from about 31.3 to where we are now, so the 30.6. So not necessarily a epic squeeze of sorts, but still shows that Lucid has the momentum to go up potentially. Market's just been open, like I said, but based on Friday, this is the options activity, 694,000 and then 3.07 million in puts. And I'll just refresh this. So as of today, 73,000 in calls, 22,000 in puts. Sentiment wise, 60% of all the options being done today are bullish and optimistic, but then at the same time that could be attributed to shorts. So shorts would be hedging their bets to prevent a squeeze. So not necessarily the best. At the same time, looking at the open interest for the options, this is why you did see Lucid get dragged below $3, whereas a lot of other meme stocks kind of rallied, is because of the options. And when it comes down to the options, big money / shorts don't want it to close above $3 because that means they would have had to have exercised all of this. So the 52,000 in open interest. So they don't want to do that, right? They'd rather just short it to below $3. So essentially for this upcoming week, it could have a nice run up to around 350 if it does continue this positive momentum. The fear and greed index is also at 65. So people's appetite for risk is very much there today. And so as of late, obviously it's been a while since I've done a Lucid video, so I'll be back to my regular scheduled broadcasting. So I took a quick vacation and whatever else, but no recent analyst ratings, and so it's been kind of quiet from that. And looking on the technicals though, 244 it does have as a pivot, so this is an Elliott wave technicals, so it is forecasting for it to get to roughly the 350 to 370. So the technicals are at least in the favor of upside, so again that's kind of a good thing. So let me know your thoughts on that. On a side note, if you are looking for a lot of good compiled information, take a look at Interactive Brokers, link in the description below and also the comments for all of this to be completely free. And plus their desktop is free as well. Very good information all at your fingertips. And again, while I'm here, latest Morningstar report does show the fair market value for Lucid being $4.39. I don't believe that has officially changed since the last report, but still, moving on though, looking on the actual technicals and whatever else. So with it right now at $2.87, it is right above this R1. So between this R1 and R2, so 297 will be that next strong target that you'll want to watch for Lucid to hopefully break above today. Vice versa, 282 is a very strong support, so clearly it's bouncing off of that today as well. I just wanted to bring this up. I know this is old news, but it did happen while I was on vacay, and yeah, I think this is pretty cool stuff. So Lucid's 2026 model, so that mid-size SUV, is going to be called Earth, and so the trademark is revealed through that. No update on the Gravity to see if that is going to be changed, but I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see what does come out from the trademark office. So we probably won't hear anything officially from Lucid, but beside the point, kind of cool stuff, Air, Gravity, and Earth. And then aside from all of that fun stuff, so on the actual chart, it is above that 50-day moving average. So even though this kind of by Wall Street standards is calling it as a meme stock, it was able for it to successfully stay above that 50-day moving average, which Lucid has always really struggled with. So I think this is what is causing the technicals, the Elliott wave technicals I just pointed out, to indicate around 350 is the next target. So who knows, bigger and better things are coming hopefully for Lucid, despite no official news, no SEC filings, nothing like that. So yeah, I think Lucid definitely is primed and ready for a nice breakout. It would really help if they elaborated, at least gave a good definitive date for the actual reservations for the Gravity, because like I said, that's the next big catalyst. During their last earnings, they seem to very much focus on that mid-size SUV that's coming out to late 2026 as being the pivot point towards profitability. So still something from Lucid I feel like would really cause shorts to close out some of the positions and Lucid just to go back into the 3s, 4s, 5s, 20s, 50s, I don't know. But so let me know your thoughts. What have you been doing with Lucid? Have you been buying? Have you been selling? What have you been doing? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. And yeah, with all that, appreciate all of you watching.